With continuous economic and social development in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, people of all ethnic groups there are happy with the fruits of this progress they enjoy, some foreign experts have told Xinhua.
I am one of those scholars who have been visiting Xinjiang again and again over past 1 decade. I have seen reality with my own eyes. I know that people of Xinjiang, an overwhelming majority of them, they are quite happy with their lives as of now.
Of course, everybody recognizes progress in economic, social, cultural, and all other aspects of development on Xinjiang. It is a process which goes in Xinjiang in parallel. Socioeconomic development, rising living standards in one hand, and caring about specificities, caring about tradition and national identity of all citizens. This is a way to peace, stability. This is the way for strengthening society, building rich life for every individual.
In a historic feat, Xinjiang has bid farewell to absolute poverty in November last year. Xinjiang is now enjoying the best period of prosperity and development in its history, said regional government officials.